Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my oh, she's asleep, but I did order some squishies. Come check her. She's asleep. Like, look at her. I don't want to hit her. I want to wake her up right now. Bella, come. I just ordered some squishies, and I ordered like 10. And yeah, first is my bread one. And I guess this is my red one. It's super small. And this is the one. It's very fast rising. Like, look. This is a bit of a way. Okay, next is my squishy. The cake one. And this is the one.
Guys, mine?
This is actually one of the slow rising squishies. So I love them so much. Come, show them.
And we got this. And
there's some more. I'm gonna have to text her and tell her like why did she do that. Cause I'm not very sure. And yeah, that squishy was $2, and this squishy was $5. That squishy was like $12. Like, they're so expensive. Like, Belle's over there in the corner. Let me show her for her. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Can you see her?
hello.
So yeah, I'm putting it in the corner.
What is happening?
And my favorite one, that one is super slow. Like,
We got this.
super soft.
It's so
This one is like more thicker and like more harder, but it's okay. I like it. It's very thicker. And it's very slow rising. See? It's super slow rising. And it actually has so much defects on it when you like squish it. So this is not the worst, but I guess a packaging.
Hello. Hey. I'm sleeping.
Yeah, she was just sleeping. I don't know how she is like that. What is this button for? Like, I'm pressing it. So, I'm gonna show you that. So I'm done doing that. And yeah, I'm back. And that did not look like. Bye! Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys! And thanks for watching. And make sure you subscribe and put a thumbs up. And I'm about to delete my channel. Guys, you guys are not even into my channel. And my channel is the 4 family members. So just if you didn't know my channel, just check it out. Right now I have one. The only one who is Bella. Bella is the one that is just subscribing. So yeah.